In this lesson, we will learn how to use functions and variables. You can see there is an input field on the interface. By using global variables, we can pass the input data to another page. You can see that the name of this input field is username input. We will drag in a label. Type done in the text field and change its color to green. We will set the label to be hidden. Select the confirm button and add a click interaction. Choose set variable value, then click add variable. In the pop-up, we will add a new global variable called username without needing to input a default value. Click the OK button. Then, in the panel, select username. In the Set To drop-down, choose the Text on Widget option and select username input. We will then add a show height action to display the done text. Now go to the username page. You can see there is a title at the top called username. We will add an operation for username changed. And add a set text action to set the text value to the value of variable. Then choose the global variable username. Go back to the home page and preview the prototype. We will input the text Troy Lee into the input field. When we click the confirm button, the interface will show the done. If we open the username page, we will see the username has changed to Troy Lee. Now, go to the goods quantity page. Select the middle input field, which is named quantity. We will add a click interaction to the add button. Choose set text and set the target to the quantity input field. Click the FX button. In the pop-up, click Add Local Variable under the Local Variable section. Then set the local variable to quantity. Keep the text on widget option unchanged. In the function expression input box above, insert the local variable LVAR1 and add 1. Remember to add double brackets on both sides of the function. This means when the add button is clicked, the number in the input field will increase by 1. Copy and paste the interaction to the subtract button. We will change the addition of 1 to a subtraction of 1. Then add a case and condition to the interaction. Set the target to quantity and choose is greater than. This ensures that the number in the input field will not go below 0. Preview the prototype. When the add button is clicked, the number increases. When the subtract button is clicked, the number decreases but will not go below 0. Go to the function expression page. You will see a text area and a counter label. We want to limit the number of characters entered in the text area to 30 using interactions. Select the text area and add a text changed interaction. Then add a set text interaction. Click the FX button to open the expression input box. In the expression input box, select 0 and insert the length function, then add 1 after the local variable. After that, add a local variable. Keep text on widget unchanged and set the target to this. Add a new case and condition. Change text on widget to length of widget value. Change equals to is greater than 30. Switch else if to if. This way, we set up the condition to check if the character count exceeds 30. Now, add a set text action. Set the target to this. Click the FX button. In the expression input box, select the slice function. This function allows us to extract a portion of the text. Add a local variable and set the expression's local variable to this new local variable. Change start to 0, meaning starting from the first character, and end to 30, meaning limiting the text to the first 30 characters. Preview the prototype. As you start typing, you will see the counter at the bottom begin to count. Once you enter more than 30 characters, no further input will be allowed.